What's up, Antoine? It's Matt. Hey, I just wanted to show you this. Okay, remember, I just want to make this little quick video for you, real quick. Okay, so this is the team abundance, right? So the 1000 group right here, as you see up here. You're gonna go to the unit section. All right, I know you know all this, but I'm just gonna go through it one time again, real quick. All right, unit one, getting started, getting your broker set up. Make sure you get a demo account. MetaTrader 4, get that set up. And this is something that you may want to do, but it's not incredibly urgent. Okay. Now, after that, what you should do is roll on to here, unit 7, 20 pips a day. All right, unit 7, 20 pips a day. Go through this guy. Okay, I'm just going to click on it just to show you. Okay, so it's going to show you the Snapchat room. You want to get on that Snapchat room. I'm sorry, the Telegram, not Snapchat. What am I talking about? The Telegram room. You want to get on there, and it's going to show you the ECC11 strategy, and this is where you want to go here. All right, so that's the one you want to do, which is what? Unit 7. So go to Unit 7. Just really pay attention to this, okay? Now, when you're into that Unit 7, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Team Abundance, all right? So you're going to type in right up here. It says teamabundance.tv. All right, so www.teamabundance.tv. Okay, not .com and not tv.com, but just .tv. And you're going to click on Go Now, and it's going to ask you for your username, right? And you're going to type in your username. That's mine, obviously, and you're going to log in here. Okay. All right, and it's going to take a second. Well, right now it's we're not live. They're not doing a thing right now anyway. So it'll say join a meeting, okay? The meeting's expired, right? So it's going to be different. So it's going to ask you to show your email address, and you're going to log in that way, okay? And that's all you need to do, okay? And that's the Zoom, all right? So if you don't have Zoom, you'll be able to do that it's all free, whatever. So you can just do that, but make sure you do that, okay? So I'm going to close out of this, boom, boom, okay? And in there, you're going to deal with the you're going to go, I'm going to click over here. So I don't know if you have the web analyzer. So I'm going to bring up the web analyzer. Boom. Okay. There's again, it's your same username for IML and your same password for IML. And you click over here and you press go to app. I don't know if you've done this or not, but this is the way you're going to really get started. Okay. And you hear the cha-ching, and what happens is this thing pops up. And it's going to give you a reading. All these things, you're going to have these click 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day. Okay, and these are the pairs. Okay, and I'm just going to go through this real quick. If you click on the pair itself, all right, click on that pair, boom. GBP USD, so Great British Pound USD. Look at that, boom, it pops up right there. Okay, and there it is, active. Okay. And then there's the checklist. You have the checklist, right? I'll go back and make sure you have that checklist. And it's in that group. It's in that number 7 unit, all right? It's in that number 7 unit, the checklist, okay? So one of the things it tells you is you want to draw a line in there, right? I'm just going to show you how to do this real quick because some people get kind of freaked out about this. These are all your different things. This is a crosshairs kind of thing, right? And this is all these different tools that you can draw different things. Trend lines. I'll just click on trend lines and show you. You click here. Look at this line. You see the line? Boop. And there's your trend line right there. Right? So it's just trending up. That's a trend line. Okay? I'm going to erase this. So you see your up here, you got a little menu. The trash can. There's an eyeball. I don't know what half these things are for, but these are different color. You can make it different color. Make it red. You can make it green. Whatever color you want. So I'm just going to throw that away in the rubbish. Boom. Gone. So you're going to make a line, right? The horizontal line. So you're going to click on it over here. There's a little arrow there. Boom. Horizontal line. Click it anywhere. And what it's going to tell you is here's the number, 1.21539. You see that? And you click over here to the little settings tab. Okay? The little gear thing. Click on the settings, and it's going to come up with this number. It's going to come up with this box. See, there's the box. And what you want to do is you want to type in that number right there. So all you got to do is back out 1.21539. So we already got 1.21. You go 539. And then how come my thing's not doing it? Oh, there you go. 539. 1.21539, 1.21539. You click OK. Watch the line move. It moved just a little bit. All right. So this is a sell. So we know the price is going down, right? I'm going to draw a little arrow. It was a sell. Okay. Sells, the price go down. Oops. Let me go. Sell, the price goes, hey, let's draw this arrow again. The price goes down, right? All right. So that's a sell. Okay. The green one is a buy. And on a buy, the price goes up, right? There you go. So what we've noticed here is in the checkoff list, you've got to make sure you get that checkoff list. One of the things is to make sure that this last candle, the candles always move from the left to the right. These are older, newer, newest. Okay? So all these candles are all older and newer. Okay? And this is the newest. This is the active one right now. Okay? So we got to make sure that this candle is actually below this line. So that's one of our things right there. You'll see that in that list. I will make sure to get you that list. All right. So this is the web analyzer, and this is what we go through in the mornings: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and most Friday mornings. Okay. And this is what we do, and we work on this. And it's literally follow the rules. Listen. Don't break away from any of the rules that they give you, and you'll have like a really, really strong percentage. Again, 2%. If you put $100 in, 2%. Risk one. Enter one pip. One lot is what you're going to enter. 0.01. Okay, that's what you're going to put in for your investment. All right. If you have a smaller, if you have a bigger account, then you can do whatever, and that's what comes into your calculator. Okay. Let me backtrack. So that was the suite, right? That was the web analyzer. Okay. So the next one is the currency meter. Okay. I'm leaving you these guys on your on the web page, and what you do is I put them right up here. I put them right here. Right here, currency, boom, boom, and the way you go is you get on there, and it'll say bookmark a page, and you put them on the bookmark tab or something like that. I think it's bookmark, something like that. Let me see. I can't remember how to do that. Not very computer literate, but anyway, yeah, bookmark. So you bookmark it up here. That way it's always there. So every time you click on this, it'll open a new page. So if you have something you want to save, you got to open up a new page like this. Boom. All right, and then you click on whatever, and it'll open up. All right. So I'm gonna backtrack just a second, and I'm sorry that I'm being all kind of crazy, but anyway, first one is the IML web analyzer. Okay. So you got the IML web analyzer is the first major page. Then one of the things we check on is we check on the currency strength, right? So if you're going GBP, Great British Pound versus the US dollar, the GBP is stronger, the US dollar is weaker right now, all right? Stronger, weaker. So if you're looking to GBP buy, US dollar is weak, it's probably a fairly good trade at least from this one. You got to take all of your information, okay? So that's what one of the things you want to. The other one was the Forex Calendar, the next one, right? If you look at what we have here, we have all these dates. We're gonna boogie down here. Thursday, Friday. See all this like red folders? These red folders. Trade balance, the average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, unemployment rate. These are red folders. These are important things. President Trump speaks. All this kind of baloney. Whatever. I don't even know if he can speak. But anyway, so all these things are important, especially the red ones, but you also got to pay attention to what's going on here. And you also look USD, and set it over here, your time zone. You see up here on the right-hand side, right top corner, you click on this. Boom, you can set your time zone, okay? Set that so that it's active when you are active, okay? All right, so the next one is the calculator, okay? When you sign into this site here, it'll bring this up. You don't have to do any of this stuff. You can just go continue on my FX book. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in this stuff right here. USD, your account size. I'm just going to say $500. All right. The risk percent ratios. You're risking 2%. Always. Okay. Stop loss. I don't know. Just say 30 pips. 35 pips. Let's say 35 pips stop loss. And we're going to go USD USD Canadian dollar, just because. Boom. All right. So you're going to put in, this is the lots. This is what you're going to get right here. 0.038. So every one of these guys is different. Every single one of these pairs is going to be different. All right. So if you have a $500 account, you're going to risk 2%, 35 pip stop loss. Okay. And this is what you're going to type in. This is what you're going to punch in. It's like, how much do you want to invest? It's going to be 0.038 or 0.04 if you want to. Or I would honestly go 0.03 because that would actually be quite a nice little a trade there. Okay, so there's that. All right. So I'm going to point these guys out to you. I made this this little list here. All right, and I'm going to send this to you. All right. I want to make sure I spelled your name right because sometimes I kind of babooze out on that stuff. I kind of space out on that, but I'm pretty sure I did. I did. All right, cool. Right on. Right on. Good, good. Because sometimes I spell my name wrong. Anyway, a couple things. Save them in your bookmarks. All right, the currency strength meter, there it is. News forecaster, there it is. Portion size calculator, there it is. And then here's the team abundance. All right. Get on there. Get onto this team abundance call if you can. They do not record it. Okay. Get on there. Excuse me. Get on there if you can. And I think it's going to be, it's 8 o'clock your time. I think it's 8 o'clock, but check and make sure. Okay. So that's going to be really important. I'm going to send this to you. All right. So I hope all is well. And let's make it happen, man. Just study. Take your time. Take your time going through those, especially at number 7, that unit number 7. Take your time, get to know it, and only do this. Only do this. Only do this web analyzer stuff that we do with the list. And I'll make sure the list is on there, okay? Only do this. All right, let me go back to that thing here. Let me see, units. Boom. I'm going to go 20 pips a day. I think it's updated. You go to the files, okay? Files. 8, that's it, ATM checklist, okay? ATM is the abundance team, what do they call it? Abundance trade manager or something like that. Anyway. All right, so establish this is your checklist, okay? This whole thing, all of these things, you need to make sure are confirmed, okay? All of these things, all right? Every single one of these things, you need to make sure that they're confirmed, okay? So I'll send that to you, and that's in the files, right? So you go to the files section, boom, ATM checklist. All right. So I'm going to send this to you, and I hope all is well. And if you need any help, let me know, okay? I'm sorry this is so long, but I wanted to be kind of thorough. All right. Take care, Antoine. I'll talk to you soon. All right, brother. Aloha.